Hi students, and welcome to week 9 in your online general psychology course. This week we will cover chapter 7, which is over memory. So before we look at this week's module, I hope you had a really restful and wonderful spring break and ready to be back and finish the second part of the semester. So before spring break, we were covering the previous chapter, chapter 6, on learning. And so this really follows nicely the chapter 7 on memory because it is a consolidation of that learning that has happened. Now, what do we do with that newly acquired information? So let's take a look. Let's take a look at this week's module. So in your module here, you have, of course, your PowerPoint. You will have 3 Connect assignments, one on schemas, a news flash on the science of partying, one on working memory, and then your chapter 7 post test. Okay, so there's no writing assignments this week. But you do have your 3 Connect assignments plus the quiz. I also want to put on your radar, and this is a little bit different here, that you have your midterm exam due after you finish chapter 7. So it's due on March 26th. Your midterm exam is comprehensive in the sense that it covers the first 7 chapters of the semester. So that's why I want you to do this module first, and then you should be prepared and ready to take your midterm exam. Your midterm exam is very similar to your chapter quizzes. The difference being is that obviously it's including chapters 1 through 7, not just one chapter. So the best way to prepare for your midterm exam is to go back and to review the quizzes that you've taken for these chapters. So the best way to get there, and I'm in my account so that I can show you. So it's going to look slightly different, but I will show you here. I have to be careful about not pulling up somebody's grade here. Is to not click on the quiz in the modules, but to actually go over here to your McGraw-Hill Connect account, go to the section. This is where you'll start seeing differences here. Go in, and I can't click much further, but click on the chapter that you want to look at, click on that particular, make sure you're looking at the post quiz. Again, grades are going to start coming up if I go there, so I can't do that. But on your screen, you will have, your first attempt, and then if you also took a second attempt, you'll see both of them. And if you click on them and then scroll through, you'll see that it'll show what you answered, if it was correct. If it was incorrect, it will show you what you got wrong, and then it will have a green arrow showing the correct answer. So hopefully that will help you. You don't have to go back and look at these for any assignment, but if you're wanting a little extra prep before you take the final exam, that is the best way to review. So I'm going to go back into our module here. Just make sure we take one more look at our week 9. Sorry, scroll. And right below, where will you find the midterm exam? Right below it, right here, okay? So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. And here we go, finishing up the second part of our spring 2023 semester. I hope you have a great week, everybody.